Imagine you're stranded in the middle of the ocean. No food, no fresh water, no rescue in sight. Would you do the unthinkable just to survive? That question led to one of the most famous criminal law cases in history. In 1884, an English yacht called the Mignonette sank during a voyage from England to Australia. 4 men escaped into a tiny lifeboat: Captain Tom Dudley, First Mate Edwin Stevens, Sailor Edmund Brooks, and a 17-year-old cabin boy named Richard Parker. For days, they drifted at sea. They had almost nothing to eat. They caught a turtle and rationed what little food they had. Eventually, they ran out of food and fresh water. The young cabin boy became desperately ill after drinking seawater. Believing they were all about to die, Captain Dudley and Stevens made a horrifying decision. They killed Richard Parker and used his body for food. Welcome to Once Upon a Case, because the law isn't just for lawyers, it's for everyone. 4 days later, a passing ship rescued the 3 surviving men. When they returned to England, they openly admitted what they had done. The public was divided. Many people sympathized with them. Others believed that allowing starvation as an excuse for killing an innocent person would be a dangerous precedent. The case reached the Queen's Bench division. The defendants argued that necessity should excuse the killing because everyone would have died otherwise, but the court disagreed.
It ruled that necessity is not a defense for murder.
The judges explained that no one has the legal right to decide that another innocent person's life is worth less than their own. So who won? The Crown won. Dudley and Stevens were convicted of murder. Although they were initially sentenced to death, the sentence was later reduced to 6 months in prison because of the extraordinary circumstances. Today, Regina versus Dudley and Stevens remains one of the most important criminal cases ever decided. It established the principle that even in the most desperate situations, necessity does not justify intentionally killing an innocent person. The lesson? The law recognizes that people may face impossible choices, but it also draws a line. If necessary could justify killing whenever survival was at stake, the law would have no way to protect the weakest among us. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this story, watch this case next.